Hello, it occurs to me that I'm not giving much time to each of these projects, but this is meant just as an overview, maybe to stir some interest for looking into my webpage and checking out my notes and such. Um, Project 7 is intended to use fast food waste. I've been a fast food worker myself. Um, they're very timely in their tossing out of expired meats and things like that. They're usually they're timed. There's actually a computer that tells them when to throw out the meat they've already cooked. And when that meat is thrown out, it's wasted. Because, well, it feeds seagulls and stuff, but I could see it being used like a biodigester right on premises and using anything from E. coli to synthetic amylases and proteases to carbonaceous worms to beetles. Not the group, but I would hate to. Well, there's a pun in there somewhere, but I don't think it's not that funny. I guess. Um, the result, the desired result being either gas released that is flammable that they can use to heat and cool or even run the grill at a fast food restaurant, or upon composting, pre-consumer waste could be placed inside the biodigester to determine whether or not that is also digestible by um, the organisms that are present in the biodigester, or a switch could be made from when the carnivorous food is no longer present as food as a it's digested. After it's digested, if things such as corn husks and oyster shells, it's meant to be a catch-all with pre and post consumer waste, which eventually, after the gases have expired and the vessel is full and no longer able to take in input, it would be used as compost in currently non-farmable or even farmable land, depending on the analysis of the contents of the waste at that point. It would be somewhat of a slurry. Um, I don't think it would be fit for feeding to cattle or any type of poultry or bovine life, but it may be suitable for use in trying to form loam or hume in a, maybe not starting in a desert area, but kind of encroach into the desert areas with fertile land. Um, that would it would increase the farmable land, or even possibly if there's a way to process that I haven't found yet. There's a way to process it to use in hydroponics, which that's a stretch to me. But the materials involved may not lend themselves to something like that. But I'm just trying to find a creative use for organic waste. Um, the um, the how to phrase it, the recycling level that fast food restaurants are at this point, it doesn't seem sufficient, because the meat is thrown right in with um, wrappers, like the containers and the cups and everything. If the food could be, if the meat products could be separated, they may be viably use. They may have viable use as a compost material. Um, I have more on this, but I need to pause now to collect my thoughts, and I may be touching back on projects 1 through 6 But this is the beginning of a dialogue, or actually a monologue, on Project 7. Um, Please let me know if you have any videos related to these topics. I'd be great. It'd be great to actually listen to someone else talk about this than just have it in my head. Um, I would very much like to collaborate with people and find a use for the ideas I have. Find uses for the ideas I have. Um, Again, my website is lowercase mahar hyphen scientific hyphen technologies dot biz. I wish you a great day, and thank you for watching and listening.